I've always believed that pastoral decisions should be pastoral.
It's been a year and 4 months since Judge Wendell Griffen peacefully protested outside the governor's mansion. He was protesting the death penalty.
He's a reverend at his church and says that he was doing this as part of his religious duties. But earlier this summer, a panel found probable cause for an ethics charge after that demonstration. His attorney's now asking for that charge to be dropped.
And KRK4 Stephanie Sharp heard arguments on both sides this afternoon. Steph.
Well, Bob and Ashley, Judge Wendell Griffen says along with being a judge, he is a reverend at his local church here in Little Rock. He says he was doing that protest as a part of his religious duties. However, another attorney argues that it questions him being impartial. A protest at the governor's mansion in April 2017 leads to another hearing at the Judicial Discipline and Disability Commission Friday. Pulaski County Circuit Court Judge Wendell Griffen, who is also a pastor, says what he was doing then is separate from his duty in the courtroom.
The decision for our congregation to have our Good Friday observance as a prayer vigil was a pastoral decision that was entirely consistent with my notion of the religion of Jesus.
The same day he demonstrated against the death penalty on the cot, he ruled in a case involving the state's execution drugs from distributor McKesson. Friday, his attorneys argued the ethic charges filed against Judge Griffen should be dismissed, saying it's a violation of his First Amendment rights.
This issue has already been foreclosed by the United States Supreme Court decisions that we've cited, and we think the hearing went very well.
An attorney from Mississippi has been appointed as a special counsel in this case. She argued there were clear acts of violations Judge Griffen engaged in, and it questions him being impartial.
And it's interesting that the problem is around a black preacher laying on a cot in front of the governor's mansion.
And several times during the oral arguments today, the special counsel referred to Judge Griffen by his first name, Judge Wendell, something that Judge Griffen says he found disrespectful. That panel is expected to come out with a decision on dismissal sometime today or by tomorrow. As soon as we get that decision, we'll pass it on to you. We did reach out to the special counsel attorney for comment. We have yet to hear back. Reporting live from downtown Little Rock, I'm Stephanie Sharp. Back to you.
All right, Steph, thanks very much.